Here, in the south of Russia, in the city Rostov-on-Don, are the head office and production facilities of Rosselmash company. This company began making horse carts and seeders in 1929. Since that time, Rosselmash has taken a leading role among Russian and international manufacturers of grain and forage harvesters. Today, Rosselmash is a dynamic company that designs and manufactures a wide range of high-quality agricultural machinery. Rosselmash uses the latest developments in the combine harvester industry from around the world. Our top-ranked team of design engineers are some of the foremost experts in the industry. Rosselmash is the first Russian agricultural machinery manufacturer which has applied an end-to-end design and pre-production planning system. Rosselmash production facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art industrial technology, powerful industrial lasers, machining centers and welding facilities. Automated equipment assembles harvester components quickly and precisely. Strict controls at each stage of production cycle guarantees top-quality products. Rosselmash machinery is built using only the best engineering designs. It is subject to hundreds of thousands of hours in a variety of climates. And the broad technological potential enables us to design new models within the shortest possible time. We keep in close contact with our customers and closely monitor their needs. Then we take that information and use it to continually develop our machinery to help our clients achieve ultimate efficiency in their agricultural business. Rosselmash now manufactures the Acros 530 and Acros 540 grain harvesters, which are highly productive machines, ensuring the lowest harvesting cost. The Vector is a new combine harvester which has already gained an excellent reputation. It brings state-of-the-art technology together with comfort and exceptional value for your money. The Don 680M model was designed in 2006 and is one of the most modern and highly productive fodder harvesters. Rosselmash agricultural machinery is designed to effectively operate in the widest variety of conditions. With every harvester that we build, our goal is to bring the highest profit to owner. During the harvest season, time is money and downtime is simply not acceptable. That's why Rosselmash has established the most highly developed service network in Eastern Europe and around the world to offer you the fastest service possible. Service dealers are equipped with modern diagnostic equipment and their staff must receive specialized training. Using certified service centers, our customers can be assured that the work needed to test, adjust and replace each part will be completed quickly by qualified technicians. When you buy from Rosselmash, you establish a long-term relationship. You will receive the best warranty and the excellent service continues even after the warranty expires. Rosselmash confidently provides a 2-year warranty on its machinery as all parts and components are highly reliable and designed for a long life. We want Rosselmash machinery to be durable and to run smoothly, and our service policy reflects that aim. Every Rosselmash dealer always has at his disposal the parts and supplies needed to maintain the equipment. Currently, Rosselmash does business in 17 countries around the world. Our dealer network includes more than 200 partners. All are highly qualified experts who know the agricultural business and are knowledgeable about efficient and profitable harvesting. Rosselmash has a long tradition of providing a high standard of top quality service to our customers. state-of-the-art technology, modern, high-quality and long-lasting products, well-trained personnel, wide dealer network and top-quality service, it all comes together to make Roselmash a leading agricultural machinery company. Roselmash has competitive crediting and leasing programs which make our harvesters easy to buy for a wide range of customers. Our experts will help to calculate costs, decide upon the payment terms and choose the package that's best for each customer. Our customers are professionals in the agricultural business who are good in managing their finances and finding the right solutions. Our primary goal is to produce efficient machinery which enables our customers to profit the most from their agricultural business. Roselmash is the source for agricultural machinery that professionals are looking for.